Hi, I'm Pat Bradshaw. I'm the construction manager for Bethel School District's major bond projects. Things are really going well, but sometimes I need a reminder. Let me introduce you to a friend of mine. Hi, I'm extremely optimistic Pat Bradshaw. Take a look around, it's a beautiful day. We're at the Willamette CTE project. It's a beehive of activity. As you can see, we've got the pump truck out here pumping concrete, pouring the slab. All of our underground work is in. It's accurate, perfectly set, and we'll get the slab poured. Next thing you're going to see is the frame and start, and this building is going to come out of the ground real fast. All right, well, meanwhile, next door over here at Cascade, this project's going really well. What a beautiful school. Our community will be so proud of this new building. It's a reflection of our dedication to the students in Bethel. Smell that? Smells like flowers. Yeah, you're right. Meanwhile, the building, all our structural steel is up, our exterior walls are up, our roofs are going on, they're insulating inside. I'm starting to hang sheetrock. So we'll make huge strides over the summer on this project. By the time folks return in the fall, this thing's gonna look a lot different. And the final major bond project is the addition here at Calapooya High School. I will let extremely optimistic Pat Bradshaw tell you all about it. This project is almost complete. It is so beautiful. It's got 2 classrooms, a work storage area. This is exactly what Calapooya needed. Virtually everything is done except some landscape. We've got to go through the parking lot to tie in this stormwater system. So we're going to wait till summer, wrap up the irrigation work. The interior of the building is 99.9% complete. We're waiting for furniture. It's all been ordered. I've been assured that it'll be here before July. This summer we'll also be busy for some other bond projects. There's something happening at virtually every school. There are safety and security projects going on throughout the district. There's a couple roofing projects, siding projects. There's a kitchen renovation. All these projects will be taking place this summer, and you'll see the results when you get back next fall.